Learning Roman numerals can be an interesting journey. Here's a guide to help you grasp the basics. 1. Understanding the basics. 1. This is the simplest numeral. It represents 1. 5. It stands for 5. Think of it like an open hand with 5 fingers. 10. Represents 10. Imagine 2 V's put together. 50. Visualize it as half of a century, representing 50. 100. Consider it as a century, representing 100. 500. Think of it as half of a millennium, representing 500. 1000. Visualize it as a millennium, representing 1000. 2. Building larger numbers. Combine symbols. Roman numerals are built by combining these basic symbols. For example, I is the same as 1 plus 1, which equals 2. I is the same as 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 3. And V I is the same as 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 8. Subtraction rule. When a smaller numeral precedes a larger one, you subtract it. For instance, IV, or 1 before 5, is 4. And IX, or 1 before 10, is 9. 3. Practice. Write numbers. Practice writing numbers in Roman numerals. Start with small numbers and gradually move to larger ones. Convert to and from Arabic numerals. Practice converting Roman numerals to Arabic numerals, regular numbers, and vice versa. 4. Memorization techniques. Flashcards. Create flashcards with Roman numerals on one side and the corresponding Arabic numeral on the other. Test yourself regularly. Mnemonics. Create memorable phrases or sentences using the initial letters of Roman numerals to remember their order. Here is an example. 5. Common Roman numerals. IV, or 1 before 5, equals 4. IX, or 1 before 10, equals 9. XL, or 10 before 50, equals 40. XC, or 10 before 100, equals 90. CD, or 100 before 500, equals 400. CM, or 100 before 1000, equals 900. 6. Advanced concepts. Overlines. Sometimes, a line is placed above a numeral to multiply its value by 1000. For example, this B represents 5000. 0. Romans didn't have a symbol for 0, so Roman numerals are not suitable for calculations involving 0. Remember, practice is key. Soon, you'll find yourself reading and writing Roman numerals effortlessly.